How to secretly view a TikTok account. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to secretly view a TikTok account. So all you need to do is simply get started. First of all, get into your Play Store and make sure that you search up the TikTok application. And once it is searched up, all you need to do is update it. And if you're not going to update it, you're not going to get the latest features, or the new features won't be able to support the previous TikTok version. Now what you need to do is simply get onto your TikTok application and open it up. Once you're into the TikTok application, all you need to do is simply get into your profile by tapping at the profile option that is the bottom right corner. Once you do so, then what you need to do is simply get into your icon that is at the top right corner, and once you tap on it, you have already turned it off. So this is what needs to be turned off. And now if you're going to view anybody's profile, for example, I am viewing this profile, this specific person won't be able to know that I have viewed her profile. This is how you do it. This is how you secretly view a TikTok account or a profile. And if you guys still have any questions or query regarding it, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Furthermore, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe on the YouTube channel of How to Digital. With this being said, don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications about the further awesome videos like this. With this being said, till next time, take care. Peace.